Welcome to part 2 of my I didn't know ChatGPT can do that series. And today, you're going to see how ChatGPT can be your study buddy or even your personal trainer. If you missed part 1, you can find it up here. Ready? Let's go. Next, let's talk about learning things with the ELI5 approach. What's that mean? That's a code for explain like I'm 5, and ChatGPT gets it. So, let's try it out here. ELI5, how do superconductors work? And we'll see here, there are special materials that get cooled down to super low temps. In regular wires, it tells you how it fights through the material. Anyways, it gives you a perfect, cool little thing you can read in a few seconds. And now you went from not really knowing how they work to being able to talk about it at a party. And of course, you can keep going from here. I want to dive deeper. Tell me more and give me resources to read. And there you go. And you can learn all about superconductors. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so you could use ChatGPT as a study buddy. Let's say you're in the 8th grade and you got to read the book Treasure Island. And you got a quiz coming up. Let's practice. So, quiz me 10 questions, one by one, on the book Treasure Island. Teach me as I go. So there we go. Who's a narrator? Let's try D. And you'll see, it'll correct you, let you know what you're doing, and then proceed on. Interactive study buddy. There you go. Really fun way to learn. Speaking of personas, let's teach ChatGPT to be a personal trainer. So, I'm 175 pounds, male. I need a workout plan to build muscle. I can work out 3 days a week for 1 hour. Be my personal trainer. All right. There you go. It'll give you your weekly plan with your splits, and you can dig deeper, modify, and even keep tabs on your progress, and it'll encourage you and help you out with any questions as you go. All right, that's it for this episode. Stay tuned for part 3.